Today we are converting Marion's Kitchen Bang Bang Chicken Noodle recipe to keto. Stay tuned. Marion's Kitchen is the queen of Thai food and she has over 1 million subscribers here on YouTube. So I feel like us on keto, we shouldn't miss out, right? We are taking one of her recipes and we're converting it to keto for you so you can enjoy yet another beautiful dinner. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my kitchen. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I've posted a new recipe. It'll really help my channel and it'll only take you a second. We are going to provide you with nutritional information for the dressing. The chicken will depend on how much chicken you add, and of course your keto noodles will be the noodles of your choice. So I feel like the dressing's the only variable. Let's get into this fabulous recipe now. We are starting off by placing 8 slices of fresh freshly sliced ginger into your mortar and pestle. Then 6 cloves of fresh garlic, and you don't have to, peel it or bruise it. We're going to be bruising it in the mortar and pestle. And why we're doing this is to release the flavors into the chicken. Next, we're going to cut up some spring onion, and this is going to be a large chop because we're just doing this for the broth. Add your garlic and your ginger pieces into a pot and spread it around. Place about 800 grams worth of chicken breast on top of your garlic and ginger. You're going to cover your chicken with water up to 1 inch over and above. And this water is at room temperature, and then we're just going to add our spring onion over the chicken. Heat up your broth until bubbles start forming. You don't want it to boil. Poaching chicken can turn out really bad. You can end up with really tough pieces that are flavorless. But today I'm going to show you how to infuse flavors and have a beautifully soft texture to your chicken. Over a high heat, let the water come to a gentle simmer and you have little bubbles forming like this. Then turn the heat down to medium and continue to simmer for another 8 minutes. Then turn the heat off completely and leave the chicken in there for 10 minutes. After your wait time is up, you're going to place it in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. While your chicken is cooling in the bath, we're going to prepare the beautiful dressing for this Bang Bang chicken recipe. And for that, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorn to your mortar and pestle for grinding. Sichuan pepper is a type of pepper mildly hot and has a fragrant peppery taste. Dried seed pods are the prickly ash tree, and it's mainly used in Asian dishes, and it works particularly well with chicken and duck dishes. You can get it from your Asian grocer or online. I also strained mine because that is just the husk left, and that is what we're looking for. Also, you want to pick out the black bits of the Sichuan peppercorns because they can be quite gritty and you don't want to include that. And they also don't have the flavor of the red ones, so try to get all the red ones. Now we're going to lightly toast 4 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. This is going to bring out the beautiful flavor of your sesame seeds. Add your ground Sichuan pepper to a bowl. Add your 4 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. Next, we're going to add 8 tablespoons of Coconut Aminos or a low-carb soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. 4 tablespoons of chili oil, and this one is just store-bought, or you can make your own at home. Lastly, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. And now we're going to combine your dressing. What we're looking for is for this peanut butter to melt into the soy sauce and the rest of your ingredients. It does take a little bit, maybe a couple of minutes, but it does happen. It's already starting to happen, look. So I'll just keep working this and it'll be ready soon. This is now ready. The aroma from this dressing is absolutely amazing. The other thing you can do if you really like spicy food is you can add a teaspoon of chili powder. Just remember it is going to add to the carb count. Traditionally, they used to bang the chicken like that to shred it. But, you know, you can do it this way, or you could just simply break your chicken apart. And yeah, we're looking for shredded chicken. Look at this chicken, guys. It is so soft and juicy. Prepare your keto pasta noodles, and here's the link to the recipe I used for my noodles. But you know, you can use miracle noodles, or if you can even use zucchini noodles for this recipe. The secret and the flavors are all in the dressing and the chicken. I'm going to show you how I'm preparing my cucumber. I'm just cutting it on the diagonal like that. And then you're going to position it like that, and then just, you know, do rough chops. And this is going to add a freshness to your dish and give you some crunch. Yay. There you go. Add your keto noodles first. And then you're going to add your chicken on top. Like so. Whoops. And then I'm just going to add my cucumbers on the side. You know, you can spread it around if you like. And lastly, we're going to spread our beautiful star of the show, bang bang chicken sauce. And now you mix that all together. Look how gorgeous that looks. I cannot wait. Of course, this meal is for 8, but if you want a smaller portion, you can just halve the ingredients. And if you have leftover chicken, you can absolutely freeze it. However, you also would have chicken broth left. And us on keto, we have broth just as a filler or a snack. And now literally you've got this beautifully flavored broth. You would literally just strain it if you like. Exciting! And now I have got a beautiful broth ready for a snack. Now this broth is not like your normal chicken broth. It's got a ginger taste to it and definitely tastes like chicken, but with all those flavors that you've infused into it. It's absolutely delicious and I highly recommend it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and get to make this beautiful keto bang bang chicken recipe. I have not given you just any bang bang chicken recipe, but I've researched for the best out there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.